Understanding lights and shapes under the COLREGs is crucial for safe navigation at sea. Let's dive into this essential topic in a way that's easy to grasp and visually engaging. First, let's talk about the importance of navigation lights. These lights are like the traffic signals of the sea, guiding vessels safely through dark waters. Each type of vessel has specific lights that indicate its position and activity. For example, a power-driven vessel displays a white masthead light, red and green side lights, and a stern light. These lights help other boats determine the type of vessel they're dealing with and its direction of travel. Now, let's break down the shapes. Shapes are used during the day to convey information when lights aren't visible. A power-driven vessel shows a cylinder shape, while a sailing vessel under sail displays a triangular shape. If a sailing vessel is also using its engine, it must show both the triangular shape and the cylinder. This combination helps other vessels understand the situation quickly. When it comes to anchored vessels, they display a ball shape. This signals to other boats that they are not underway and are safely moored. It's essential for avoiding collisions, especially in busy harbors or narrow channels. Now, imagine you're out on the water at night. You see a white light ahead. Is it a vessel coming towards you, or is it anchored? If you see red and green side lights, you know it's a power-driven vessel approaching. But if you see just a single white light, that could be a fishing boat or a vessel at anchor. Understanding these signals can make all the difference in avoiding dangerous situations. Let's not forget about the sound signals, which complement the visual signals. If you hear one short blast, it means I am altering my course to starboard. Two short blasts indicate I am altering my course to port. These sounds are vital for communication, especially in foggy conditions where visibility is limited. In addition to lights and shapes, we must also consider the rules of the road. For instance, when two power-driven vessels meet, the one on the right has the right of way. But if you're on a sailing vessel, you must give way to a power-driven vessel. These rules help maintain order and safety on the water. Understanding lights and shapes under the COLREGs isn't just about following rules. It's about ensuring everyone's safety. By recognizing these signals, you can navigate confidently and responsibly, whether you're sailing, fishing, or just enjoying a day on the water. So, the next time you're out there, take a moment to observe the lights and shapes around you. They're not just decorations, they're essential tools for safe navigation. Embrace this knowledge, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more skilled and aware mariner.